Okay, so I'm going to look at question 18. I'm doing it over here because I ran out of space over here. So the question says, for what values of k does the line 3x plus y equals k not cut the curve? So hopefully as soon as you see the fact that it's saying not cut the curve, you know we're looking for delta less than 0 once we've substituted our straight line into our curve of some sort. Now, hopefully you're recognizing that we're having a circle of some sort, or an ellipse, whatever it is. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. We're just going to substitute in there. So, first of all, I need to rearrange this equation so that I have x equals or y equals. So, for argument's sake, I'm just going to let x equal. So, basically, x equals k minus 5y, and I am going to divide through by 3 for the whole thing. So I've just taken the 5y across and then divided by 3, and I've just done it in one little step. Now I'm going to substitute my new little equation that I've done into 2. So wherever I see an x, I'm going to put this whole thing. So I'm going to have k minus 5y over 3 all squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. Things are going a little bit slow, so just have patience. It's pretty busy today online. So, here we go. I just need to simplify this. Very easily done. If you end up with some crazy fractions, you've made a mistake. So let's see if we can simplify from here. I am just going to expand out my bracket first of all. So I'm going to have k squared minus, this is going to be minus 5y times k. So, and then minus 5y times k the other way. So I'm going to have minus 10 ky. Now I've done a whole lot of stuff in there. If you need to, just do a little bracket on the side, k minus 5y, and note all the things that we are timesing, and you'll see that that's what we get. And then that's going to be plus 25y squared all over. Now this is going to be squared, and then if you've got a fraction over a fraction, the denominators can actually just be multiplied together. True story. Hopefully that's all good with you. Maybe look up some fractions if you, oh, it's not 11, it's just 1. Okay. So, now, everything's deleting. So, now I'm just going to multiply through quickly first by 9 just to get rid of these two 9s. So if I times each term by 9, that'll go away, and this will become a 9. Hopefully you're okay with that. And then to get rid of this 25, I just need to multiply each term by 25. So I'm going to end up with k squared minus 10 ky plus 25y squared plus 25y squared. This one here is now 25y squared as well, equals, and 9 times 25 is 255. So there you go. Now, I am just going to scroll that down. Hopefully that all makes sense. And now I am going to get everything onto my left hand side and add all my like terms. So 50k squared is that term and that term. I've just written it there. And then I'm going to get my single y's, which is 10 ky. And then I am going to just have my constants, which is plus k squared minus 255 equals 0. So I'm just going to get a different color. I didn't get a different color. It just jumped and didn't actually color it. A, B, C. Okay, so now I am going to work with delta. So delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. And I am looking for where this is actually less than 0. So I'm looking for where delta is less than 0. So b squared, this is b, so it's going to be minus 10k squared minus 4a, which is, what have I done? Sorry, this should be a y. Sorry about that. Minus 4 times 50 times k squared minus 255. And we're looking for that is less than 0. So this will give me 100k squared minus 4 times 50. 4 times 50 is 200. Minus 200 times k squared, and then minus 200 times minus 255 is plus, it's just, what was it? 200. Oh my gosh. Times. Okay, so this is 225, and I'm going to get that over to the other side so that I can solve. So I have got, when I add those together, I'm going to have 50y squared, and then I'm going to have minus 10ky, which is that one there, and then I'm going to have plus k squared minus 225 equals 0. Now, in there I have got A, B, and C. And I know that I'm looking for delta equals b squared minus 4ac, and I'm looking for it being less than 0. So if I substitute my b into that, b is going to be minus 10k all squared minus 4 times 50 times plus k squared minus 225. You do not need to put that plus in there. I don't know why I did. Is less than 0, and that's, oh, look, totally jumped up to the top of the page for no apparent reason. Just go back down here and scroll across. Okay. Close that bracket. So let us multiply out that. So that's going to give me 100k squared Negative 4 times 50 gives me negative 200, so it'll be negative 200 times k squared, so it'll be minus 200 k squared, and then negative 20 times negative 225 gives me positive 45,000, and that's less than 0. And now I just need to, I'm just going to quickly divide through by 100. So I've got k squared minus y even 2k squared plus 450 is less than 0. K squared minus 2k squared gives me negative k squared plus 450 is less than 0. So I am now going to take my k squared to the other side. So 450 is less than k squared. So k is going to be plus or minus root 50. Root 450, sorry. So that is the proper answer. I'm sorry that it's gone a little bit crazy as we've gone through. Yeah, hopefully that helps. And I'm going to stop this video now.